Previously on Goons Dynasty.
Oh, shit. Better watch out for week 12, buddy.
Week 12, buddy. It's on my calendar. All my recruits coming in.
Watch week 12.
Watch me wipe my ass with the Buffalo Bulls. All right, I'm tired of you. I'm tired of you talking about these motherfuckers. Buddy, what's up? I might lose the football game. I ain't losing the fist fight, buddy.
Oh, shit. Chill, yeah. Yo. Call 911. Call 911.
That boy
It's a beautiful day here in Bowling Green as Coach Newk takes on Coach Beak.
Oh. I mean,
Like, and you can tell because he just shows his power out there on the field. Oh!
Oh my God!
Motherfuckers won.
Bro! I threw it to the wrong button! My blind ass hit fucking circle instead of square. Oh my
Another
God.
interception by Coach Beak.
He'll ride his man on the option. Now the pitch.
I'm sick as fuck!
Series of plays, a chance to cut into the lead.
Woo!
Going up top on first down. He'll take a shot here.
Oh, come on!
In motion. Coming out on first down with the play fake. Fires on the move.
Bro, what a horrible ball!
Oh my goodness.
Bro. I mean, what a terrible pass. What a terrible pass.
Oh yeah, fourth
This
interception.
dude.
And the Bulls want to pick up the tempo. Keeping it on the ground.
On the line.
I mean, this is fucking ridiculous. This is fucking... I'm quitting. I'm literally quitting.
Fast motion from the offense. They'll throw it to the back.
Oh! Oh! And that missed tackle might seal the deal here, Dick. And I think we're about to witness a FF.